Oh, let's try it again.
We must go inside of it to fix it.
Woo!
Ready? Woo! Right into the bucket.
Gotta use this blue one. This is the magic one. Woo! Luke, you having fun? Yeah.
I'm going back to the place I ran from. Palm trees, broken roads, desert dust bowl sun. Where the billman will call you almost every week. Which bills to pay today, what's left in the fridge to eat. Where stars frame the night, born out of dreams. Just close enough to give hope, but too far to reach. I left there with that hope on fire. Backseat for a bed in search for something brighter. Down in that Dust Bowl Valley, with that Dust Bowl Valley sun. I'm going back to the place I ran from, where the earth and the men been hardened by life in the sun. Like my old man, he's 63, still swings a hammer, still tougher than me. What about my mother? Well, the last I heard, she was strung out on Demerol and some of those neighbors. I miss my good friend, look how far we come. Oh, settling down now, I guess we're worn out from the run. Down in that Dust Bowl Valley, with that Dust Bowl Valley sun. Now I'm headed back, got the radio on. They're still playing Packard's working man song. And I'm coming full circle, trying to make my peace with my past and the ghosts that still haunt me. Remembering the good times more than the bad. That Dust Bowl country, heart-worn land. I'm going back to the place where I ran from. Palm tree, broken roads, desert Dust Bowl sun. Down in that Dust Bowl Valley, with that Dust
Can you wave? Hi. Hi.